Cell Communication by Giancarlo Sergi.
Mm.
For this video, I'll be using Family Guy's Brian and Stewie. The 3 stages of cell signaling. 1. Reception. 2. Transduction. And 3. Response. So this one's reception, this part is transduction, and then the response is last. Reception. Cellular response trigger. A reception is a signaling molecule binds to a receptor protein, causing it to change shape. Reception is used to move cell to transduction. Reception is the signal molecules outside of the cell which attract hormones. And for the sake of this video, we're going to use Brian yelling at Stewie as a reception. So Stewie is receiving his harshful words. Transduction. Transduction cascades of a molecular interactions relay signals from receptors to target molecules in a cell. So, the hormones go from outside the cell to inside the cell through transduction. And for transduction in the theme, after Stewie has been yelled at by Brian, he processes it and thinks about what his next action will be. Response. A response is cell signaling leads to a regulation of transcription or cytoplasmic activities. So basically, it is the reaction of an action. And this occurs in the nucleus, so after the receptors receive it, it goes through transduction and then goes through the nucleus to DNA, which a gene from the DNA converts into mRNA, which then forms a reaction. Some types of responses will include emotions, like stress, or sweat glands, or nerve movements. So after Brian had yelled at Stewie, Stewie processed it and thought about it. And he could have 3 types of responses. One could be him cry and be sad about it. Another, he could be scared of Brian. Or finally, he could just turn and kill Brian, which is a response. And that's all. Again, reception goes to transduction, which leads to a response. And Stewie's response was to only shoot Brian in the leg, and that's it.